Nestled amidst the hustle and bustle of Singapore, a hidden oasis defies expectations. A newly constructed house boasts a unique circular design that tackles the challenges of a steep valley plot and dense urban surroundings. This innovative design incorporates a cascading waterfall feature, lush greenery, and privacy solutions, creating a tranquil environment unlike any other in the city. The property's story begins with a tired, 30-year-old house in need of an upgrade. The homeowners longed for a modern space that maximized the available space while catering to their evolving needs. A key desire was the inclusion of a waterfall feature, alongside the crucial element of privacy in a neighborhood with multiple close neighbors. The plot itself presented a unique challenge. Perfectly circular from above, it sits nestled within a steep valley, unlike the typical hillside properties encountered by the architects. From the entrance, a narrow driveway descends a significant distance, leading to the existing house platform and then plunging further down the slope towards the valley floor. The circular shape offered no traditional lawn areas and was hemmed in by 6 neighboring houses. The architect's solution addressed both the shape and slope of the plot with a focus on simplicity and efficiency. The house design took on a distinctive C-shape, forming an outward-looking courtyard. Since the valley garden was inaccessible, the cascading slope became an inspiration. The C-shape now cradles a series of cascading pools and terraces that visually flow down towards the imaginary valley within the property. Lush greenery was integrated throughout each level of the house, effectively addressing the lack of a traditional lawn area. The design team further maximized the potential of the site by creating a cantilevered structure that projects from a solid rock outcrop. This platform elevates the living areas and swimming pool, creating the illusion of hovering above the slope. The smooth travertine block construction gives the entire structure a sense of lightness. The resulting primary living spaces are open, transparent, and boast breathtaking views of the cascading water features that overlook the hidden valley, a serene oasis within the city. Privacy in a dense urban environment was a paramount concern for the homeowners. The architects addressed this by incorporating operable teakwood screens that clad the entire facade of the house. These screens allow for precise control over privacy and the microenvironment within each room. An additional layer of privacy and visual softening is achieved through hanging plants that surround the swimming pool area. material palette for the house was kept deliberately restricted, featuring travertine and basalt. This choice, along with the open design, ensures that natural light penetrates the lower levels, bringing a sense of openness to what could otherwise feel like confined spaces. The architects masterfully created a sense of movement throughout the house. This is achieved through the use of curved architectural elements, sloping facades, the flow of water features, and the natural slope of the land itself. These dynamic elements are balanced by the large, stable platforms that house the living spaces, creating a harmonious interplay between movement and stability. Mature trees surrounding the property further enhance the sense of privacy and tranquility within the house. The innovative design creates a unique haven, a world away from the bustling city life that lies just beyond the neighborhood. This extraordinary house exemplifies how thoughtful design can overcome challenges and create a truly remarkable living space.